Today we are going to take a look at a Japanese original imported car, Corolla Fielder. I believe many of you are not familiar with it. If you were to ask, it is the wagon version of the Corolla exclusive to Japan. It's very rare in Australia, especially nowadays when most car companies don't produce wagons anymore. So this car has consistently been on the hot list of Japanese original imported cars. This car has good looks and compared to other cars in its class, it offers a very good price. The key feature is that it's a wagon, making family trips so easy. However, like all Japanese original imported cars, it has the drawback of having a car stereo entirely in Japanese and a GPS system that only works in Japan. All you need to is install a local Carplay. All these problems are solved. Today we're going to install Carplay for it.
Whoa. Here I come. Oh, here it comes. Oh.
Wireless Apple CarPlay, including Apple Maps and Google Maps. And if you like Waze, you can also install Waze. The method is very simple. Just download Waze on your iPhone. And it supports mainstream music apps like Spotify and YouTube Music. All the major ones are supported.